What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you use an alarm clock?
Yes, I use an alarm clock to wake up.
What's the first thing you do in the morning?
I check my phone for messages.
How do you like your coffee, tea?
I prefer black coffee.
What do you have for breakfast?
Usually, I have cereal and fruit for breakfast.
How long does it take you to get ready in the morning?
It takes me about 30 minutes to get ready.
What mode of transportation do you use to commute?
I drive to work.
What's your favorite part of the day?
I enjoy the quiet mornings.
How do you stay organized during the day?
I use a planner to organize my tasks.
Do you have a lunch routine?
I try to have a balanced lunch with protein and veggies.
What's your work, study routine like?
I start with priority tasks and then move to others.
How do you take breaks during the day?
I take short walks or stretch breaks.
Do you have an afternoon snack?
Yes, I usually have a piece of fruit or nuts.
When do you typically finish work, study?
I finish around 5 p.m.
What do you do after work, study?
I exercise or relax with a book.
How do you unwind in the evening?
I watch a TV show or listen to music.
What's your dinner routine?
I cook a variety of meals for dinner.
Do you have any evening rituals?
I practice mindfulness before bed.
What time do you go to bed?
I aim to be in bed by 10:30 p.m.
Do you use any sleep aids?
No, I prefer to sleep naturally.
How many hours of sleep do you aim for?
I aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep.
What's your favorite way to relax on the weekends?
I enjoy spending time outdoors or with friends.
Do you have a cleaning routine?
I clean and organize on weekends.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 to 4 times a week.
What's your favorite form of exercise?
I enjoy jogging and yoga.
Do you have a favorite hobby?
I like painting in my free time.
How do you manage stress?
I practice deep breathing and meditation.
Do you have a favorite book genre?
I enjoy fiction, especially mystery novels.
How do you stay connected with family and friends?
I call or video chat regularly.
Do you have any morning rituals?
I make my bed and have a quick stretch.
What's your go-to-work, study snack?
I snack on nuts or yogurt.
How do you stay motivated throughout the day?
I set small goals and take breaks.
Do you listen to music while working, studying?
Yes, I find it helps me concentrate.
What's your favorite type of music?
I like a variety, but I enjoy Indian rock.
Do you have a favorite podcast?
I like listening to TED Talks.
How do you handle time management?
I prioritize tasks and use a timer.
What's your favorite work?
I prefer a quiet and organized space.
Do you have a favorite inspirational quote?
Success is not final, failure is not fatal, it is the courage to continue that counts.
What's your favorite way to stay active?
I enjoy outdoor activities like hiking.
Do you have any dietary restrictions?
No, I don't have any specific restrictions.
How do you stay hydrated during the day?
I carry a water bottle with me.
What's your favorite type of cuisine?
I enjoy Italian cuisine.
How do you handle late-night work, study sessions?
I try to avoid them, but if necessary, I take short breaks.
What's your favorite thing about your daily routine?
I appreciate having a sense of structure.
How do you plan for the week ahead?
I make a to-do list and set priorities.
What's your favorite way to spend a lazy Sunday?
I like reading or watching movies.
How do you incorporate self-care into your routine?
I schedule regular self-care activities.
Do you have a favorite app for productivity?
I use a task management app.
How do you reflect on your day?
I journal before bedtime.